Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to have you here today. And my hair is a little wackadoo, but that's okay because I'm here for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would super duper appreciate it. And today, without further ado, I have the Boxy Luxe. Ooh, I hope it doesn't suck because I've seen some unboxings and I'm like, oh, not so good. Let's see how it is. I will open this box, which is within this box. And I like that it's in the St. Patrick's Day green and white. Very festive. I appreciate festive things. My mom's old birthday was on St. Patrick's Day, so it's always been a special day to me and my kin. And that's like a little fake Irish thing. And it says, "Hello, Chama. Hello, Chama." And it is big. And it says, "Lucky." And I'm going to put my glasses on because I always need help reading. Oh, with the headband, that's a challenge. All right. It's all good. Ah, damn it. Oh, I'm so bummed. I heard there might be a different palette in here, but it's the Barbarella palette from Beauty. Jet milled color delivers intense saturated color, light reflective sheens with velvety finish, gorgeous golds, pretty pearls, frosty greens. Oh my lord. And this is a $50 palette. It says, meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straighten up blasts of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense, saturated, light, reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long-lasting and non-creasing, silky, and velvety finishes. You know, now that Ipsy's got the whole Glam Bag X thing, I love the Glam Bag X so much that now I know Boxy and Ipsy are related, but to compare this to a Huda palette, there's $5 difference in the box and $15 difference in the value of the palette. And this just is not... Where's the zaps of color? Where's the blasts? It's very disappointing. I don't want this palette. I hope the rest of the box is better. But this palette just looks like poo-poo. I know people don't like to have the negative comments and stuff. But man, I'm disappointed. I was really hoping... Someone said there might be another palette that's in the box, but there isn't. And then the rest of the stuff, let's take a look. The Glow Recipe Plump Hydrolonic Serum, and this looks gorgeous. I'm not going to open it right now because, I need to do my calculator to keep the tally going. So I get the value. And this is $42. And this says, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hydrolonic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hydrolonic acid and target different layers of skin for deep hydration. $42. And all of Glow Recipe stuff is just the highest quality and the bestest stuff. And I really love it. And I just can't wait till I use up a bunch of stuff so I can start using that. All right. Let's see. Here's my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Let's see how the color matches. I chose shade 100 because I am pale as fuck. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm going to open it from the bottom. If I can. I'm not going to break a nail on this stuff. There we go. I'm learning so I don't break my beloved nails. It's a beautiful, beautiful glass bottle. it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Yeah, tissue. I'm pretty pale, and it's blending in. It's a little paler than I am, but that's what bronzer and stuff is for. Very nice. That's a good match. I don't mind being on the pale side. I don't like the sun. But it says that this long-wearing, light-as-air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore-diffused, shine-free finish. Oil-free formula is made with climate-adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat and humidity and won't clog pores. So that's wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin. $36. All right. This straight up, my friend Candy unboxes. This straight up looks like garbage. And it is called Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. And she even used it. And it did nothing for her. And it just looks like a bunch of glitter gel. And it smells really strongly of peppermint or menthol or something. And this is $42. And this gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. I will not put this on my face. My friend Candy already did that for me and it sucked. I know I'm so negative. I'm so negative. But after the Ipsy Glam Bag X, this is so disappointing. And then this is a great foundation brush. KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Edge Foundation Brush number 10, which I have right here. I washed it, but it's still a little dirty from having foundation. You never get anything 100% clean. But this is a great foundation brush, and I got it from KVD when I bought some foundation for free. And this is a $34 brush. This high-performance foundation brush features an original custom design with a sculpted shape that conforms to the curves and contours of your face. This perfectly symmetrical tapered bristles allow you to reach every corner from angle for precise, even blending. Like I said, $34. All right, that's nice. And then I have from Dominique Cosmetics a lip pencil. This is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. Define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. This long-lasting demo matte finish is so light and breathable you'll forget you're wearing it. $18. I have so many lip pencils, but let's just see what it looks like. What's up, Lulu? Louie's on the desk. Louie's on the desk. What you gonna do? Go AWOL. Any old BC Boys fans in the house? Oh, this looks really nice. And it's got like a triangular shape. You know, I think I'm gonna keep that because that's a beautiful color. Yeah, swatch it. Oh, that's beautiful. And it's very soft and creamy. So, Dominique Cosmetics, this might be something from you that I actually like. Because I don't like your palettes that I've gotten so far. Very cool. So, $18. Next up is from Rose and Quartz Hair Mask. I do lots of things to my hair, so hair masks are always appreciated. And your touchstone hair products is this Rose Quartz hair mask. Suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfates. Why didn't it just say no sulfates? Sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalate. I can't say that. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. And vegan and certified and cruelty-free, made with love in the USA, $31. Is it sealed? It's sealed. I'm not gonna crack that open just yet. And then last but not least, This is one of my choices. The foundation was a choice. And then this is a choice because I have a lot of brushes and I always need homes for brushes. And this is the G by Genero Brush Crush Makeup Brush Holder, a stylish way to store your makeup brushes. This holder has 3 compartments to keep your vanity clean, drawers uncluttered, and brushes organized, so it's always easy to find the one you need. MSRP $34. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Oh, there we go. And that's the MSRP is a little high for I wouldn't pay $34 for this, but it's cute and it's pretty big and it can hold a lot of brushes, so I do appreciate that. And it's, like I said, it's cute. But you can get one like this with nothing on it on Amazon for like 10 bucks. So that is it. That is my box, and I'm mediocre about it. I love the hyaluronic acid from Glow Recipe and the foundation I love. I love the brush holder, and the Dominique's lip liner. That's nice. But like stuff like this is just garbage. This is straight up garbage. This is like that 24 karat gold lip gel, face gel that we got that was like $2 on Wish. And I've never heard of this company, which is fine because it's good to have indie brands and stuff. But this is just straight up minty gel with glitter. No bueno. Not going on my face. I don't even think I'll put that in a giveaway because I respect you guys too much. But with that, I want to thank you, and may the luck of the Irish be with you this month. And, oh, got a kitty over here. There's always a kitty around. But I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.